Hey guys, it's Meredith. Welcome to Orange You Glad Homeschool. And today I am going to put in some spring books for my girls' book display. Mike made that for me, for the girls. Just because I like to have books being displayed where they can see the covers. But it looks like I probably picked too many books to go in the display. I'm not sure if all of these will make it in. A couple of them are pretty small that I might just put in our morning basket because if I try to put them in there, you know, they're going to be blocked by that railing right there. So I'm going to go through some of them and show you what they are, and then I'll go ahead and just put them in the display. Alright, let's jump in. Okay, we have quite a collection here. This is a fun book. It's a collection of 3, I think, different stories within this book here. And it's a perfect book for Isla to probably start reading on her own. And these books are pretty funny. I like to keep this one out, Sing a Song of Popcorn. It just has lots of different stories, poems, and things in here. Politeness. And these are also not springtime books, but I am just trying to encourage Scarlet to go ahead and pick a book and read at night. So those are for her. And I do have like a lot of bee books, and I'm talking bzz bee. So we have lots of insect and bugs and all that kind of stuff, but I'm gonna try to keep the bee books for our summer book display. So I have this little one. Like I said, it's not gonna be seen. See? It's not gonna be seen in there, so I'm just gonna probably put this in our morning basket, or I can display it on their dresser. So it just follows this bee around and kind of tells you what life is like as a bee. Really cool. And then we have Ladybug at Orchard Avenue. Again, talking about what they kind of go through. Really cute. I think Scarlet got this book not too long ago. She loves animals, loves reading about animals, and so this is the book she picked out at school, I think during one of the book sales. So I thought I'd put that one out. We're actually doing the box set of Peter Rabbit right now. And this is just a sweet little pop-up book for springtime. Now these items I am not going to put in the book display because I kind of want to use it for school. Animals of Asia. And so here's the book, and this came separately from these things. These are all from Target bin. But it happens to say Animals of Southern Asia. And I have 2 of them. Obviously I probably got one on one year and one the next year, not realizing I had a copy. But I can let the girls color a page and we can read it and go over it. It's reading comprehension. And I just thought that that would be kind of a cute little bundle that we can do. Incredible Sea Creatures. See, I might keep that one for summer. I like to keep more of the marine life type stuff for summer, so I'm actually not going to use that one. I'm going to put it to the side. The Open Road, an adventure with Toad, Ratty, and Mole. That's just adorable. Okay, Animals in the Garden. So this one just has a whole bunch of pictures of bugs, insects, and probably birds. Okay, yeah, all kinds of animals in the garden. Simple, simple words to read. Very simple. And then it has questions on each page, it looks like. Bugs in the Garden. This is a really cute one. We read this a lot. Easy, another simple book that Isla could probably read. Spring is here. This is way, way simple. But sometimes I like a simple book so that they can read it on their own and feel, I don't know, more confident, you know, that they finished a whole book by themselves. We got from Chick-fil-A in the kids' meal. So, I Love You Zooborns and Welcome to the World Zooborns. So, it's just little pages about each animal. Super cute little babies. Little baby animals. So, girls can try to read that or look at the pictures. Spring cleaning, totally. Berenstain Bears Clean House. Down on the Farm. Springtime, I definitely think animals, animals being born. Monsters Among Us. This is a creepy one. But it's so fun to read with the girls. Animal Kids, Cubs, Chicks, and Pups. Yeah, more animal books, I know. It's like, how many does this lady need? Forests and Jungles. This is a really old book, but Scarlet really likes macaws, parrots, whatever. She likes birds. So I thought this would be... So I just thought that this would be a really fun one to have out. Clouds, definitely for springtime. We've got lots of rain coming in, different kinds of weather systems rolling through. So that's always a good one. I Like Bugs. This was really cute. We've read this a lot. So extremely simple to read. Okay. And just some old ones that we have. Animals on the Farm, The Bunny Hop, Home for a Bunny, The Jolly Barnyard, and then we have The Shy Little Kitten and Baby Farm Animals. It's really sweet. We've had this book for a very long time. Springtime Little Bunnies. Really cute. Okay, so that's the Golden Book collection. The Aristocats, I just like this book. I like the movie. I don't necessarily know if it's springtime, but I thought it was cute. And then I have a little collection of Aesop's Fables. So we have the Ant and the Grasshopper, the Hare and the Tortoise, and Town Mouse and Country Mouse. So it's just a little rendition of those fables, and they're in a tiny little book like that. So I'm pretty sure they could actually read these books on their own. But they just get discouraged when they see tiny font. They would be like, that's a lot of words. I have never taken this sticker off of this book. I've had it since Marisa was little. But it's Barbie, Let's Walk in the Garden. Really simple book. Just cute. And I like how we have board books, paper books, little readers. You guys know what those kinds are, you know. And golden books. Lots of different kinds. This is a really cool and interesting book. There's no words, and it comes with a CD of like this beautiful, I want to say it's piano. I'm pretty confident that it's piano. And so you put the CD on, and you kind of go along and flip the pages to, I guess, different tracks that you're listening to. But love it so much. This book is really cool. Yellow Umbrella. Kind of going with the spring cleaning, you think of cleaning out your house and thinking of those in need, maybe getting rid of some things that are in your house that you no longer use or need. So when you're spring cleaning, you can also give stuff away. And this had flowers on the front, so I thought, why not? What does it mean to be kind? So, looks like a good book. I don't think I've read this one. Maybe once. I can't remember. How Full Is Your Bucket? I haven't read this one either, so I thought that would be a good one to read. And then this one, I don't know where we got, maybe my mother-in-law, but I honestly don't remember. It's a ladybug magazine for young kids. I thought that this would be really cute to just kind of look through and look at all the different pictures, and it looked kind of springy. And it's got different stories, different artwork. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, that's cute. A little poem. Oh, a little story. The leprechaun. And we have On the Farm. Really interesting art. I love it. Love it, love it. And it talks about each one of these things. So we've got the goat, we've got the snake, we've got the barn cat, we've got the pony. It looks like someone bit my book. Look at that. What child did that? What child? I don't know. The bees, the bull, the turtle. Okay, we're almost done, guys. We're almost done. Alright, so this is The Garden, the Curtain, and the Cross, the true story of why Jesus died and rose again. So it takes you from the beginning, Adam and Eve stuff, and then works you on through history and events, and him dying on the cross, and him rising from the dead. This one, very thin little book, He is Risen. So, what would Jesus do? Little sticker. Okay. I don't know where that came from. Alright, so that's a really nice book. Cool artwork again. This is one of my favorite books. I Dream of an Elephant. I love the story, love the colors, love the rhymes. And it's super fun. You can read it out loud to the kids and they all shout the answer. It's really funny. The animals all love a rockin' routine. I dream of an elephant whose color is green. So it's just really cute. Love that book. And we have this one. Apparently it was given to us and it has been cut. I have no idea why. Okay. But this is called Make Way for Ducklings. And that's what it looks like. And it's a Caldecott Award winner. So, another little book. Got some ducks. Cute little adventure. And this is the last one. Roosters Off to See the World. Eric Carle, you will be familiar with him because he's the one that did the caterpillar, the hungry caterpillar. So, this just has neat artwork, cool colors, really pretty pictures. And it just, I don't know, this could be a springtime, this could be a summertime book, who knows. Alright, so that's my library display. I hope you guys don't think that that was too much. I'm sorry. Sometimes my videos get kind of long.